What up, YouTube? Today's going to be a little different workout. We're going to do chest, shoulders, buys, tries, and calves. So I want to do chest first. That's a weak point of mine that I want to improve. So I'm going to prioritize that. I was just going to do shoulders and arms today, but I really want to hit chest. So last week we did full stack, 13 reps. I'll do one warm up. Sits at 100 pounds right now. Just do a light warm up, not many reps, just enough to kind of get the technique down and just make sure like things are where that I want them to be. For example, like the seat, make sure the seat's in the right spot. Yeah, so on these, I like to put my butt a little bit forward on the chair so I'm not rolling my shoulder blades over. So if my butt was back, I would be doing this. With my butt forward, it helps keep my shoulder blades back. Okay. Like, our warm-ups are very short. I want to get right into the all-out set. So it's going to be 240. The number we got to beat is 13. Let my heart rate go down a little. I got 14. I think I got at least 2 or 3 more in me. All right, so we got 16. So in the past, when I did this, I would do a wide grip, and I felt a lot of the tension go into my shoulder blade. On Mike Mitzer's description of the incline, he says a closer grip. So here's your shoulder width, closer grip. And then he says to flare your elbows up to your ears. So immediately I had to lower the amount of weight I was doing, which is fine. But the mind muscle connection was insane doing it that way. So I'll put guides on here. And last week we did 13 reps with 45 pounds. This week I'm going to move to 50 pounds, just a small increase in weight. I actually preferred that little higher rep range on this. So if I do around 13 this time, I'm fine with that. Make sure everything's in the right place. Yep, so have it here and then flare it up and then press. So 10. Oh. I'm gonna rest just a little bit, do a little rest pause. I think I can get a couple more reps in. It's crazy the difference just by changing the grip and the technique. So I'm doing a lot lighter weight, but I'm feeling it in the upper chest way more. Like before I do like this, again, all the weight was going here. All right, here we go. Try to slow down the negatives. Oh yeah. All right, so 12. Yeah, and the contraction's crazy right now. Next, we're gonna move on to shoulders. In my opinion, my rear delt is the area I need to prioritize. So I'm gonna do that first before side delt. So today we're gonna do something different. Normally I would do rear fly on the pec deck, maybe dumbbells, but today we're gonna do cables. I'm gonna start first light, see how it feels. So the way these work is you go here, right? And then we go across. And so start from here and then pull. So these actually feel pretty good, but I think I can go a little heavier. So that's what we're gonna do for the working set. So we did 30 pounds. I'm gonna try, let's see how 40 feels. I don't wanna go too heavy where form breaks down, but I do want some resistance for sure. Yeah, this is a good weight. Whew. So today we're kind of hitting around 12 to 14 reps on everything, which ain't bad. You get a good squeeze. So definitely feeling it after doing that. But yeah, that's the area I really want to work on. Next exercise is going to be a dumbbell lateral raise. I'm gonna do it seated today. A little bit less weight. If I was standing up, I'd probably go a little heavier. But on here, we just want to really control the movement. So on these, I like to do a drop set, really just burn them out because they actually don't really get that sore and they recover pretty quick. So I can actually get away with a little bit more volume. Ooh. Yep. Shoulders looking juicy right now. I made sure to have plenty of carbs today too. Last 2 days were pretty big deficit days. So it's nice to get to eat a little bit more for this workout. Next exercise is going to be a preacher curl. Ooh, it's burning. Ooh. Next exercise is going to be a press down with a V bar. Last time I did 120, so we're gonna move up to 130, see how it feels. So on these, I really want to resist the negative. Yep, so I'm resisting. Trying to get the most out of this set. I can feel my whole body tight as I do this. Final exercise is going to be seated calves. Ooh, these are burning. I need to stretch. Ooh.